See, I told you I'm about to be the king of the black and white videos. You think I'm playing? Bouquet. You know what I'm saying? We got Novocaine in the building. Ciao. Young G, hold on. Where you at? Bouquet. Bouquet. We tribal. We some savages. You know what I'm saying? We about to get it in. We got to get the juice, you know what I'm saying? We get the cups popping and stuff, you know what I'm saying? We about to go to the studio.
Okay,
I don't know. We need to, you said you wanted the grade? Damn, man, that's... Oh, okay, cool. There we go then. What? Shopping with your boys. Well, how much was that?
This shit was like $3 or something.
Nigga, that's $4.
So this one was too.
Oh, what ain't that? Oh, you just want the code?
That's Florida first.
Oh yeah, well you do got the bootleg right now. Look at that, we got the chips popping. We ain't getting that. It's that nasty. We don't like that.
We on the hunt right now.
Where the liquor at though? That's what we. Oh Lord. Ah. Look, we thought that was looking inside you know what I'm saying, Smart Final, you know what I mean? No, because you can go ask her. They other stores got liquor too. Okay, see, trying to boom me out the water. Goodness, you know what I mean? Look at this
got
guy.
everything else we need though. It's okay. He's still
Rude ass nigga and stuff.
Right now, we just go head to head to that. One of my little grinders, we got it. It's gonna be the same thing as the other place now.
Well, I mean, when it's already not cold.
It's already in their hands.
Yeah, why not? We just, that's just less we gotta pick up. We're about to be up in here. We've been up in here for like 30 minutes. And we're going to leave empty-handed? Oh, that's 30 minutes wasted. Bouquet, at least I feel like I did something. Come on. Ooh, they got candy, though.
Oh, candy.
Oh, this ain't candy. This is the fruit. This ain't even candy. Party mix? Come on. Bouquet. Some of them be. Yeah, don't get no nasty stuff. This nigga buddy trying to get the nasty. You know what I'm saying?
This is the one you want.
Do you want snackers? What the fuck is that?
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
It's the cheeses, nigga. At least I got a name brand, nigga.
Yeah, get a name brand.
You feel me?
Where they at?
Hold on.
Because if they is there,
Where's
you
the
know you got
munchies
to get those.
Where's the munchies at?
Well, you might want to go get the
What they
snackers.
talking about, man? I'm fucking with my cheeses. Alright?
Hey, man, we got children. You tripping.
Alright. They got everything you need in.
We all in the store right now. Y'all talking about, and it's crazy. You know what I'm saying about? Because you know what I'm saying. I know the girl that works here. You feel me? That's so crazy and random. Yeah, we in there. Okay, so yeah, we gonna continue this. You know what I'm saying? Because right now they ain't got no liquor here, so we got to go. All right, y'all gotta say bye to the peoples. You know what I'm talking about? You already know, Blue Kid. Here we go. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be back to you real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're going to continue this. Hey, see the money? That's like 401.
Okay, well, I'll put them on.